Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Hindi movie Tadap. Tadap is an official remake of 2018 Telugu movie RX 100. The movie Tadap marks the debut of Ahan Shetty, son of Sunil Shetty, and the movie also features Tara Sutaria in the female lead. Now coming to the movie Tadap, the Tadap movie opens with the sequences wherein we are shown with a disappointed and Devdas-like looking Ahan Shetty. Ahan Shetty has left his beard, he has not trimmed his long hairs. He has become an alcoholic addict. He's shown to be in depression in most of the instances, and when he is not in depression, he is outrageous. He is sitting and bashing the people at will. He has mood tantrums and he is not only hitting the people but is also vandalizing the properties of many people. He is making poetry, he is drinking a lot of alcohol, and he is lost in the past. Ahan Shetty has his friend and his daddy for his company, and of course Arijit Singh's songs playing in the backdrop. So when all these characteristic features meet up in a particular person, either he has to be a victim of substance abuse, or he should have had a love failure and should be suffering from heartbreak. So our Ahan Shetty here is a combination of both. He has a love failure, he has a broken heart, and he is also a victim of substance abuse. And why is our poor Ahan Shetty behaving in this way? When you're just curious to know about this, you're taken to the flashback of Ahan Shetty's love story. Ahan Shetty is a combination of angry young man and jolly go good man. Ahan Shetty is an orphan and he has been brought up by Saurabh Shukla. Ahan Shetty calls him as daddy. Not only Ahan Shetty, but the entire town calls Saurabh Shukla as daddy. Saurabh Shukla has taken care of and brought up Ahan Shetty just like his son, and he loves and cares for him very much. In fact, he is very much possessive about Ahan Shetty. Ahan Shetty has a cinema theatre of his own, and he is also managing some temple building project along with his daddy, and he is also helping a local MLA, Kumud Mishra. Now Kumud Mishra has a daughter, a beautiful daughter. She is Tara Sutaria, and she is the heroine of our movie. Tara Sutaria comes to Mussoorie from London where she is studying, and here is where Tara Sutaria spots Ahan Shetty. Tara Sutaria is attracted to Ahan Shetty. Ahan Shetty takes a lot of time, but eventually he also gets attracted towards Tara Sutaria. Eventually some chemistry works out between them and they start spending time together. Living in Mussoorie, our Ahan Shetty is a small town boy, but Tara Sutaria lives in London and she is a big town girl. Now the big town girl influences the small town boy. She teaches him how to love, how to kiss, how to smoke, and how to party. And even as Ahan Shetty is dreaming to marry Tara Sutaria vanishes into the thin air from his life. Why did Tara Sutaria disappear? How did she disappear? Why did Ahan Shetty become aggressive? Why did he become depressed? Why is Ahan Shetty behaving the way he is behaving? What exactly happened to the love story of Ahan Shetty and Tara Sutaria? You'll find the answers for all these questions when you watch the movie Tadap. In the second half of the movie, there is a big twist in a tale, and I don't want to give spoilers for that. And that is the fantastic part of the movie, an innovative thinking by the writer, and the entire credit for this particular plot should go to the original movie RX 100. And that twist in a tale which comes in the second half makes Tadap a different love story. Now when you're watching the first half of Tadap, you will definitely feel that it is a predictable story. A poor boy loves a rich girl and eventually they break up for some reason. And then the boy becomes depressed and aggressive and he does all sorts of things which he shouldn't be doing. But when different layers of the story unravel in the second half, you will be really shocked to know what exactly happened in their past and how different is the story of Tadap. Now let me come to the review of the movie and also the characters. So I should tell I have seen both RX 100 and Tadap. Here I am not trying to compare both these movies. This looks like a trimmed version of RX 100, but on the other side I would tell that Tadap is an honest remake of RX 100. With some creative liberties, Tadap has been made as suitable to the Hindi viewers, and Milan Luthria has done a fantastic job in directing this movie. I don't call Tadap as an outstanding movie, but it is a decent on-time watch. If you want to watch a different love story, if you want to watch a Tadap full love story, if you just want to watch the debut movie of Ahan Shetty, this is the movie for you. Now coming to the characters and characterization of the movie, the main character of the movie is Ahan Shetty playing the role of Ishana, and he has done a decent job. I will not rate Ahan Shetty as the best actor, but this is the first movie. We will not be very critical about him. He has done justice to his role. I would call Ahan Shetty as a mixed bag. So he has some decent and good expressions, and some expressions he just needs to work out. His dialogue deliveries at some places are good, and it just looks like if you just close your eyes and just hear those dialogues, you will feel that Sunil Shetty is speaking. And the director has given certain dialogues which makes you remember Sunil Shetty, especially from the movie Dhadkan. So some of the shades of Ahan Shetty in this particular movie has shades of Sunil Shetty from Dhadkan. His expressions are okay, the emotions he brings out are okay. I'm not telling good, they're okay. So they will definitely improvise as he goes on doing many movies. Among all the expressions, he is good at aggressive acting, and in the romantic part, I should tell he is okay. Now coming to the second lead, that is Tara Sutaria, the heroine of the movie. She looks beautiful in almost all the frames, but acting, I should tell, she is good in some frames and not so good in other frames, just like Ahan Shetty. Coming to the chemistry between Ahan Shetty and Tara Sutaria, the chemistry is good at some places and not so good at some places. Now what to tell about Saurabh Shukla and Kumud Mishra? They are outstanding. The chemistry between Saurabh Shukla and Ahan Shetty is really good in the movie. Watch out for that. Also watch out for Sumit Gulati, who plays the role of Ahan Shetty's friend. He is also really good. Now let's come to the technical part. The cinematography of the movie is good. The screenplay is good at most places, and again lets down in some places. The storytelling of Tadap has been hurried at many places. You feel as if the chemistry and connectivity between the characters are missing. This is because Tadap looks like 1.5x speed version of RX100. Now when you look at the runtime of this movie, it is 2 hours 6 minutes, and RX100 is more than 2.5 hours. That itself shows most of the portions of RX100 have been trimmed in the Hindi remake of Tadap. Now let's come to the most important part of the movie, that is the music. The background score, the background music has been composed by John Stewart Eduri, and BGM is good at most of the places, and at some places it looks really loud and harsh. But coming to the music score of the songs by Pritam, excellent, brilliant. The biggest plus point of the movie Tadap is its music. Fantastic songs, fantastic picturization, and in the songs, see the chemistry between Ahan Shetty and Tara Sutaria. It is really awesome. Tumse Bhi Zyada, it's already a popular song sung by Arijit Singh. It is the pick of the movie, and I felt that it is one of the best songs of this year. Ultimate melody, heart-touching, soul-soothing song. I also loved Tere Siva Jag Mein, and other songs are also really good. So whenever you feel in the movie Tadap is dipping down, the song suddenly comes and rises the tempo of the movie. And about the direction of the movie Tadap, I have already spoken. The movie has been directed by Milan Luthria, and the direction is good. And coming to the negativities of the movie Tadap, a predictable first half is the main negativity of the movie, and the acting of Ahan Shetty and Tara Sutaria, at some places it looks shady and flabby, and also the chemistry between the key characters in some places. Of course, the second half of the movie will make it for it, and especially when you reach those final moments of the movie towards the climax, the last 20 minutes of the movie is good. The climax of the movie is good, but it is also different. We should know that RX100 and its copied version, that is Tadap, are inspired by a true character, or inspired by a true story. The dedication has been given at the end of the movie. Watch out for it. Now coming to my scoreboard for Tadap, on my scoreboard Tadap scores 6.5 out of 10. So that's my review of Tadap. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.